Curious about how much your favorite YouTubers earn? Here's how to find out in 2024. If you're wondering about the earnings of your favorite YouTubers, you're not alone. Let's explore some methods to uncover their earnings in 2024. Start with social media analytics platforms like Social Blade. This tool provides estimated earnings based on view counts and subscriber growth. Here's how you can use it. Go to socialblade.com. Find the YouTube channel you're interested in. For this example, let's use Mr. Beast. Copy the channel URL and paste it into the search field at the top right corner of the page. Social Blade will then display the estimated earnings. For Mr. Beast, the estimated monthly earnings range from approximately $604,000 to $9,700,000, and the estimated yearly earnings range from about $7,300,000 to $116,100,000. Another method to gauge earnings is by examining sponsorships. Many YouTubers disclose their brand partnerships in videos or video descriptions. By researching the brands they work with and the types of deals they secure, you can get a better understanding of their income sources. Merchandise sales can also significantly boost a YouTuber's earnings. Check their social media platforms or official websites for links to their merch. This can have a substantial impact on their overall income. Consider the content niche. Finally, think about the type of content they create. Channels focused on high-value niches like finance or technology often have higher CPM rates. By analyzing their niche, you can gain more insight into their potential earnings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights.